Hi, I'm Anand Mule, the proprietor of Renuka Tools. We are a 24-year-old manufacturing company based in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. We at Renuka Tools, we manufacture very high precision indexable cutting tools for the applications of rough and finish boring, turning, milling, drilling, chamfering, spot face, etc. We have developed some very interesting products like micro bow units, fine bow units. These give you the accuracy levels of up to 1 micron on the radius in finish boring solutions. We recently also introduced revolutionary ultra precise adjustable cartridges, which can give you a least count of 5 microns on diameter. We've developed all of this due to the continual R&D efforts that we put in at our end, and we pledge to have many more innovative products to be launched in coming years. We also do critical multi-axis machining, which can be applicable in the industries of plastic injection molding or pressure die casting or medical or dental industries. We not just cater to the Indian domestic market, but we are also into exports. We are currently exporting to 5 countries, and we look forward to expanding that globally. We try to give our customers the best of accuracies and also at the shortest possible lead times by having a state-of-the-art infrastructure and the latest technology, with the help of which we try to differentiate ourselves from competition. We do not at all compromise in the raw material or the heat treatment or any of the processes involved in the machining activities. So to achieve the final product, we have the state-of-the-art CNC turning centers. We also have 5-axis CNC milling centers and 4-axis CNC milling centers. We also have some supporting conventional setup. We ensure that the detailed quality inspection is done at every step. For all the cutting tools, tool balancing is an essential factor to avoid ovality and to protect customers' machine spindles. Therefore, dynamic tool balancing on the high mud balancing machine is done in-house. Final inspection is done on a Zola presetter, and we provide the Zola and high mud reports along with the cutting tools that we supply to our customers. If you wish to have high quality customized indexable tools, do get in touch with us now.